We're going to show you how to use your two Krakatoa Super Torque heads feeding into the heated small volume mixing kit. One of the heads, you're going to plug this cable in on the back of the head, put it on the far right slot, tool position 5, and then plug that cable into the port on the yoke. This is on your engine high resolution. Take your second head, and we've got a cable already built in on the cable tray. You're going to load the other head on the far left, tool position T0, head 1, and then we're going to just plug in that cable on the back of the head. These heads will come with those little plastic tubes already installed. Your heated small volume mixing kit goes right in the middle. That's T2 or position number 3. You don't see this here, but we always want to lock all of the heads in with the screws in the back. Each of these 3 heads shows up in your Repetrel interface. Yes, this is how we plug that cable from the cable tray right into the head. These black and red cables give extra 12-volt power for these heaters to these heads. Now the tubes that come out of the 90-degree angles at the bottom of your heads, we're just going to, it's a friction lock, it's a pneumatic fitting, we're just going to pop it in there and you'll feel it lock in place. Once that's done, you're really ready to go, assuming that your material has already loaded. So we're going to turn the motor on for the mixer. We'll see that it's spinning. You can control that speed slower, faster, as you like. These commands can also be given through your G-code file. It's the same commands that when you click on the screen, that G-code is sent to the head. The heat is also on. You can see 31 degrees on the mixer in the center. This mixer can get up to 80 degrees C. Each head's got its own control for extrusion and for heating. Let us know if you have any questions.